Okoya that I've seen that came out one day to come and say that it's only the children of Shade that are his that are his children, and they are his tomorrow. I've never heard K1 talk bad about his children. I've seen him treat women badly, like he would just dump you and go for another one. But I have never seen him bring down his children. Never. But I know that many of those kids are deprived of him. Because when this one is in, that's when another woman is with him. When Fatia was with him, do you get it? When Fatia was with him, I believe many of them didn't have access to their dad, because Fatia was there to occupy. Do you understand? To occupy and be with him, and you know, at that time he also had a bakery, and he put the name of, I've forgotten the name of that bakery, bread bakery, where he put the name of Fatia's daughter. Do you understand? I've forgotten the name of that bakery now. And the other children will just feel left out. Do you get it? You know, then this baby girl that we saw jumping on the dad and was crying, the girl was crying. I think K1 should look into that. She shouldn't be kept. She shouldn't stay too long to see the dad. I don't know how it will happen. I don't know how it will happen. I don't know how it will happen, because sometimes when parents, you know, when parents split up, in the process of being in their own way of keeping malice and everything, mother will have daughter or son to herself. Man will not, you know, until the girl grows to be independent, before she can then go and start meeting her father. Which in the end, you know, that age, fatherly bond, they miss out. Many kids miss out. Some of us have gone to remarry. I don't think this lady has remarried. What's her name now? The mother to Isabella. What's her name again? Her name don't sack me lori. Do you understand? Angela Bakery, yeah. You know, I don't think she's remarried. You know, because assuming she has remarried, you know, her husband wouldn't want her to be communicating with, you know, there will be some kind of way, you know, she will not feel comfortable communicating with K1 like that. Do you get it? The whole thing is a mess. I'm telling you, the whole thing is just a mess. I felt for that child. In fact, you know, they say when two elephants are fighting, it's the grass that suffers, the ground that suffers the fight of two elephants. What it means is when a mother and father, they are having problem, the children, they are the ones that are deprived of this fatherly love. Do you understand? They are deprived of this fatherly love. They no matter is a single mother and she lives in Canada with her daughter. Okay. Yeah. So, you know, they are deprived of. That scene just shows that is not communicating. That is not maybe not communicating. That is not girl is not saying daddy. Baby girl is not saying daddy. Oh, nice. I think that's not really very okay for. Sadly, they wouldn't have thought people like us would see it from that perspective. It was a good way of them seeing each other, and you know. But for we that are analysts, if we may say, we see it from the point of, oh, this girl is being deprived of her father. You know, this girl is, the baby girl would want more. And the mother and the father should sit and have time to really think of those young ones that are not able to express themselves, and they really, really need their father. Many of these kids, they are affected. Oh. You may not know. You may not know, but in later on in life, you realize that some of these kids are married today, and exactly what all these children are being deprived of, no daddy, no daddy, no daddy, it affects them eventually. Some of them even, God forbid, our children may not, by the grace of God, will not encounter. Some of them don't even want to marry because of all this kind of, I didn't see my father wasn't there, I don't understand, I was deprived of my dad, you know. Yeah, and you see, they went to meet him in a show, I don't know where they were, or maybe it's just a show. It's not it's not fantastic. It's a very touching moment for me. I felt, oh, baby girl, she ran. Sorry. In fact, when if K1 was standing, Baba Ma Shubuni, she felt like entering into her father. Fe huggy Baba. Oh, and you understand? Can't watch the video. Learn to watch video and be able to use your mind and look at the chemistry. Even Baba was, I'm sure, I know with the adulthood in K1, I know he will know. Hell, people watching will read meaning to this. He will know, but the baby girl doesn't know anything. You understand? She acted innocently as a child would act. Daddy me, oh, my dad that I lost so much. Shajo. Atin she awa aya, ẹ̀yin bàbá. Ẹ bá ṣe ń ṣe, ẹ máa ro tàwọn ọmọ. It's sad. It is sad. Some of those kids won't see their father for years. Anyway, go on. Anytime you see Isabella and Co, go and look at their logo. K1 has 2 logos. You must have one or the 2 together. It doesn't matter which color you bring come. Do you understand? Maybe you get your yellow color from your mama or anything. If you don't have the 2, you must have one of the 2, or you have the 2. They not born you well. Make you not make you not get her. In fact, MKO2, he has 2 logos. Only that the ear, that one, now they call it, you must have it. I think when some of them go, when they are going, they will now be going. When they are almost time, the angel will now remember. Hey, I want my MKO, Wawasare, Eti they don't do it well. Gone. You must see the ear like this. Because there are some of them, but the face will be there. You go and look at Uncle Kola's face. When you see Uncle Kola's, another person that Abidjan one day is the children of the family of Awolowo. Oh, you people don't know what is happening in the world. Awolowo's family. Go and check their Abidjan. They look alike. I don't know. They look like escapee from Arab country. I don't know how they did it. Their face is like that. The people that escaped from Arab country and they brought them to Yoruba land. I don't know. You know all these people that they will want to look like Nigeria, they want to look like Arab. They will not miss the 2. Why am I missing? Why am I missing up? Be our family. I'm telling you. You don't know. You don't know. I'm talking about prominent people that Abidjan one real Abidjan. Abidjan gidi. Abidjan gidi. Some of those children, MKO Abiola children, you will just see their ear. They would have forgotten. And when you know that age too, I don't know, man, tired. When they give them message to do, okay, MKO, they will do the face, they will forget the ear. So the moment it's almost 9 months, they will now run. They will go and put the ear, chocolate. The ear will now not be as big because I want MKO Tobi. I want Uncle Kola Tobi. So some of those ones that you see that are small, but you must see the horo dear woman finti filamo. Long dawa. Abijo wa. Some family know Abijo. So long lo ma ba won wa DNA won jade. But there are some family we know. All of us we know. All of you that all these people you are going to born for them. We know the one that if you go and born, and we know that it's not their own. We know. We will not talk. We know. We know. MKO. K1 now. Painting eyebrow. Go and check. Tó bá ti rí. Kò ṣọmọ K1. You must see Abijo, gbogbo wọn ló jọra wọn. Gbogbo wọn ni. Bàbá yẹn ni. That's why they say if you get belle for a K1, he will not tell you to remove it. Haven't you heard about the story? They said mi ò débẹ̀ o. Hello, what do you go and do, Baba? And if you get belle, go and tell him you don't want to remove it. They say he won't tell you to remove it. They say if you born like this and mama look at the child, you know if it's their own or not their own. I want ẹ̀yin tẹ́ lọ ń bí ọmọ àlè sílé olílé. Wọ́n mọ̀ yín. They know. And go and check. Go and check, Baba. That is K1. There are so many people that gave birth for him that he didn't acknowledge you. You don't know. The ones you see with him is because identity to show. The logo, when Mama, K1's mother see them like this, she's the one that bring them, all of them, they must go and salute Mama. When K1's mother sees them, Mama come and read gbogbo. The ones that can't see Mama, they not born the right speaking. Abiba ola she so. So it's a rainy. It's a too rainy tani. I was in shock when I saw the video and I said, we can live.
But thank you so much for watching. See you next time. Bye for now.